So today I'm at the Needles in the Gibraltar Range National Park in northern New South Wales in the New England country. So you can see behind me we're in a spot with some beautiful granite outcrops. After some rain, this place is beautiful. Those two are what we came to see. They're called the Needles. It's absolutely worth your time and effort to come here. Roughly a 6 kilometre walk, a couple of hours return, or you can link it up with some other ones for a longer walk to explore more of the countryside. But what a beautiful spot this is. Glad I came, and I'd invite you to come and have a look for yourself. What a beauty.